Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are discussing about data types and data structures. So in the last video, we have discussed about this. So under the primitive data types, we will get undefined, null, boolean, number, big int, and string, also symbol. These 7 types of data types will have under the primitive data types. So under the non-primitive data types, we will have objects and arrays. So before going into the deep level, we will discuss about what is the difference between primitive and non-primitive. Okay, we just discussed it in the previous video. What is meant by primitive and non-primitive? Not the difference, right? So today we'll discuss that. So the difference is basically two differences are there. One is mutable and second one is comparison. See, mutable means what? If we create a variable with a value, so after creation of that variable, if we can able to modify the value, that can be called as mutable. If you are not able to modify a value after creating a that variable, then it can be called as immutable. I can explain you well in the coding. So let's go to the code. So here I will create one variable called string, and I will give one string here like I am string. Okay, then I will console it. Okay, okay. Before consoling, what I will do is for the same variable, I will give new string. I am changing the values. I am changing. Okay, forget about the spelling mistakes and all. Okay, here what it printed? It printed I am changing this variable. It was printed. Do you understood what happened here? See, in this case, we have created one variable called string, and with the value of I'm string. Okay, after that we have given the one more string value to the same variable. Then what happened here? It didn't modify it. Okay, but we reassigned the value to the same string. A different value we reassigned to the same string, but we didn't modify this this value with this value. Okay, I will explain you well again. Okay, let's I will comment this now. See, in the in this I am string there is a I, right? So I will try to replace that with capital I. Okay, now we'll see what will happen. I am getting normal I only, not the capital I. Why? What happened here? So the thing is, we are not able to modify I here, okay? Because it's a primitive data type. Okay, primitive data types cannot be modified. The values cannot be modified. We'll go for the non-primitive data types. See, I will create one array here with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, same array. I'll try to replace a 1 with 9. Okay, now I will print that console.log array. What will happen? Line number 57 printed with 9. Okay, if the 0 position is 9 comes coming. So what I'm trying is, with the primitive data types we can't modify the values. Okay, and with the non-primitive data types we can modify the values. Do you understood, right? And coming to the next point, comparison. Okay, I will comment this, and now one more string I will create here, string 1, string 2, likewise string 1, string 2. Now I'll compare it with string 2. What will happen? Line number 53. Okay, we didn't compare it. Okay, now we are comparing. It is getting true. Okay, because in the string 1, in the string 2, both are having same values. Both are having same values. That's why we are getting true while comparing it. So coming to the non-primitive, same array I'm taking. Okay, I'm giving the names as array1, array2, and I will comment this. Now I will compare this. Okay, what we can expect? Array1 is having same data, array2 also having same data, but we are getting false when we are comparing. Actually, we expected as true, but we are getting false because it's a non-primitive data type. See, I will, if you want to compare with the non-primitive data types, we have to do a reference. With the reference, I will tell you that dummy array will take. Okay, to the dummy array, I will assign the values which are in the array 1. Okay, then I will compare that array 1 with dummy array. Now I can get true. Okay, we'll see. See, now I am getting true. What happened here? Here in the non-primitive data types, we can't compare the uh, values directly. Okay, we can compare only with the references. Dummy array is a reference of array 1. Okay, both are not same. Okay, that's why we are able to compare. But array 1 and array 2, of course, having same values, but we can't compare because it's a non-primitive value data type. I hope you understood these basic two differences between primitive and non-primitive data types. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.